California on Fire 2020 update on wildfires. Today I will give you updates on the California fires that have burned more than 2.5 million acres. I will give the names of the current fires and the acres burnt and the containment percentages, so stick around. Subscribe because 92% of you aren't, and let's get to it. I'm going to bring more fire updates later, so subscribe, like, comment. California fires. August Complex, Mendocino National Forest has burned 873,754 acres and it is 60% contained. The August Complex West Zone Mendocino unit has burnt 134,836 acres and is 65% contained. The Blue Jay Fire, Yosemite National Park 5 has burnt 5,335 acres and is 50% contained. The Bobcat Fire, Angeles National Forest, has burnt 115,796 acres and is 89% contained. The Bullfrog Fire, Sierra National Forest, has burnt 1,185 acres and is 50% contained. The Creek Fire, Sierra National Forest, has burnt 326,706 acres and is 49% contained. The Devil Fire, Klamath National Forest, has burnt 8,693 acres and is 32% contained. The Dolan Fire, Los Padres National Forest, has burnt 124,924 acres and is 98% contained. The El Dorado Fire, San Bernardino unit, has burnt 22,744 acres and is 95% contained. The Fork Fire, El Dorado National Forest, has burnt 1,667 acres and is 70% contained. The Glass Fire, Sonoma Lake Napa unit, has burnt 67,050 acres and is 54% contained. The Moraine Fire, Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks, has burnt 694 acres and is 70% contained. The North Complex Fire, Plumas National Forest, has burnt 318,928 acres and is 87% contained. The Rattlesnake Fire, Sequoia and Kings Canyon National Parks, has burnt 4,471 acres and is 30% contained. Red Salmon Complex, Six Rivers National Forest, has burnt 134,000 acres, 134,936,000 acres and is 34% contained. The SQF Complex Fire, Sequoia National Forest, has burnt 160,908 and is 65% contained. The Slater Fire in Klamath National Forest has burnt 155,287 acres and is 67% contained. The Wolf Fire in Yosemite National Park has burnt 1,092 acres and is 60% contained. The Zog Fire in Shasta Trinity unit has burnt 56,305 acres and is 84% contained. So let us pray for California. Let us pray not only for the residents, but for the people that are trying to put the fires out. They came from all over to help. God help them all.
Yo, yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo.